Back for more The Secret of Us? Let's continue with episode 5 and break down the key Thai words and phrases. Ready? Let's go!
อย่าออกไปกินเหล้ากลางคืนก็พอ อย่าออกไปกินเหล้ากลางคืนก็พอ
Means, don't go out drinking at night, that will be enough. Or, just don't go out drinking at night.
อย่า
This is a negative imperative particle, used to mean don't. It is used to tell someone not to do something.
ออกไป
This is a verb compound where
ออก
means to go out or to exit and
ไป
means to go. Together, it means go out or leave.
กิน
Generally means to eat, but is also used informally to mean to drink. While
ดื่ม
is the formal word for to drink. So
กินเหล้า
means drink alcohol.
กลาง
Means middle or in the midst of and
คืน
means night, so together means in the middle of the night or simply nighttime.
ก็
In the phrase, it functions as a particle that emphasizes what follows, which is
พอ
meaning enough or sufficient. This usage of
ก็
helps soften the tone and makes the statement feel less abrupt. It can be interpreted as just or simply, indicating that avoiding the action, going out drinking at night, is sufficient.
อย่าออกไปกินเหล้ากลางคืนก็พอ อย่าออกไปกินเหล้ากลางคืนก็พอ เดี๋ยวจะแสลง
Means, be careful or it will become harmful.
เดี๋ยว
This word has multiple uses, but in this context, it functions as a conjunction meaning or else or otherwise. It's a warning indicating that if no action is taken or if a specific action continues, there will be negative consequences. I've gone over the full breakdown of this word in another video, where I explain all its different uses, like when it means wait, or when it acts as a warning, like or else. I'll add a card on the screen for you to click, and you'll also find the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out for a more detailed explanation, so you can fully understand how to use it properly in different contexts.
จะ
Means will or might, indicating that something harmful will or might occur if a specific action isn't stopped or avoided.
แสลง
This term refers to something that is harmful or unwholesome, often used in medical contexts to describe food, medicine, or actions that could worsen a condition. It can mean poisonous or toxic when referring to specific substances that negatively affect health.
เดี๋ยวจะแสลง แล้วเอิญได้บอกไหม
Means, so, did Ern tell you?
แล้ว
When used at the beginning of a clause, indicating the order of events or connecting to what has been said. Here it means so or then.
ได้
Indicates past ability or completed action, similar to saying was able to or did in English.
บอก
Means to tell or to say.
ไหม
A question particle, commonly added at the end of sentences in Thai to form yes-no questions.
แล้วเอิญได้บอกไหม แล้วเอิญได้บอกไหม
บอกว่าเป็นเพื่อนกันบอกว่าเป็นเพื่อนกัน
means she said that you were friends.
บอก
means to tell or say. In Thai, this verb does not change based on past or present tense. Instead, context determines whether it means told past or says present.
ว่า
This word introduces the content of what was said, much like that in English. It links
บอก
to the following phrase.
เป็น
In this sentence, it means were because Thai verbs don't change form to show past or present. So, to be can mean either are or were, depending on what's happening in the conversation. If there's no clear clue about time, then we figure it out based on the context of the discussion.
เพื่อน
Means friends.
กัน
Together or with each other. Indicates mutual or reciprocal action, in this case, mutual friendship.
บอกว่าเป็นเพื่อนกันบอกว่าเป็นเพื่อนกัน
เอิญไม่เคยพูดแบบนั้นเลยเอิญไม่เคยพูดแบบนั้นเลย
Means I never said that at all.
ไม่
This is a negation particle meaning not.
เคย
This means ever. When combined with
ไม่
it forms never, indicating that the action has not occurred.
พูด
Means to speak or to say.
แบบนั้น
Means like that or that way, referring to the manner or specific content of what was supposedly said.
เลย
This is an emphatic particle that can mean at all or absolutely, which strengthens the negation, confirming that it definitely did not happen.
เอิญไม่เคยพูดแบบนั้นเลยเอิญไม่เคยพูดแบบนั้นเลย
เขาเอง
Means it was me or I did it.
เขา
This pronoun typically means he, she, or they, but in informal or cute contexts, it can also be used by a speaker to refer to themselves.
เอง
This word translates to self or oneself and is used to emphasize the subject, whether first, second, or third person.
เขาเอง
น้องเอิญเป็นห่วงคุณหมอเหรอน้องเอิญเป็นห่วงคุณหมอเหรอ
Means, are you worried about the doctor?
น้อง
This word means younger sibling or younger person and can also be a term of endearment. It's often used to address someone younger in a polite and friendly way.
เป็นห่วง
Means to be worried or to be concerned about.
เป็น
Means to be.
ห่วง
Means worried or concerned.
คุณ
Is a polite title similar to Mr. or Ms. and
หมอ
means doctor. Together, it means doctor with respect.
หรอ
This is a question particle often used to seek confirmation or express mild surprise, similar to really or is that so in English.
น้องเอิญเป็นห่วงคุณหมอเหรอน้องเอิญเป็นห่วงคุณหมอเหรอ
That's it for today. We'll continue in the next video, so make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching.